Hello student, welcome to my channel, my audio classes. We will discuss about the chapter 3, class 9, chemistry, notes in English. Law of chemical combination, chemical reactions. In a chemical reaction, two or more molecules interact to produce new compounds and are called reactants, whereas the newly formed compounds are called product. Law of conservation of mass. According to the law of conservation of mass, matter can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. It remains conserved. Mass of reactants will be equal to the mass of product. Law of constant proportion. A pure chemical compound contains the same elements combined together in a fixed proportion by mass is given by the law of definite proportions. Atoms. An atom is the definite structure of an element which cannot be broken by any chemical means. The atomic symbol has three parts. The symbol X, the usual elements symbol, the atomic number A equal to the number of protons. Atomic radius. This distance between an atom's nucleus and outer electron shell, the atomic radius is calculated by measuring the distance between the nuclei of two identical atoms bonded together. Half this distance is the atomic radius. Dalton's atomic theory. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms, which are indestructible and individual building blocks, make up all substances. Unlike other elements which have two atoms of different size and weights, an element's atom have all the same size and mass. The matter is made up of individual particles known as atoms. The properties of all the atoms of a given element are the same, including mass. This can also be stated as well as the atoms of an element have identical mass and chemical properties. Atoms of different elements combine in fixed ratio to form compounds. Atoms are neither created nor destroyed. The formation of new product or compounds result from the rearrangement of existing atoms in a chemical reaction. Atomic mass and atomic mass unit. Atomic mass is the total of the masses of the electron, neutrons and protons in an atom or in a group of atoms. The average mass of an atomic particle is called the atomic mass. This is commonly expressed as per the international agreement in terms of the unified atomic mass. Molecular mass. Molecular mass of an element is defined as the sum of the masses of the elements present in the molecule. Molecular mass. The smallest identifiable unit into which a pure substance may be defined while retaining its composition and chemical properties is a molecule, which is a collection of two or more atoms. Molecule. A molecule is a collection of two or more chemically bonded atoms, whether they are from the same elements or another. For example, when two hydrogen and one oxygen atoms interact, one water molecule is created. Molecules of compound. Salts and molecular compounds are the two categories into which compounds can be divided. Covalent bonds hold the atoms together in molecular molecules. Ionic bonds hold it together in salts. Every compound is composed to the atomic number. Mole concept and Avogadro number. In a substance, the amount of entires present for, that is atoms, molecules, ions, is defined as a mole. A mole of any substance is 6.022 into 1023 molecules. Molar mass. A substance is something which has mass and occupies space. The molar mass or molecular weight is actually the sum of the total mass in grams of the atoms present to make up a molecule per mole. The unit of molar mass is grams or mole. Atomic valency. A molecule is defined as the smallest unit of a compound that contains the chemical properties of the compound. The atomicity of an element is the number of atoms in one molecule of the element. A structure of atom. Atom is made up of three particles, electron, proton and neutron. The center of the atom is called the nucleus. The nucleus of an atom contains the whole mass of an atom. Valency. Valence electrons are those elements which are present in the outermost orbit of the atom. The capacity of an atom to lose, gain, or share valence electrons in order to complete its octet determines the valency of the atom. Compounds. When two or more elements chemically combine in a fixed ratio by mass, the obtained product is known as a compound. Compounds are substances constituting of two or more different types of elements in a fixed ratio of its atoms. Ions. An ion is defined as an atom or molecule which has gained or lost one or more of its valence electrons, giving it a net positive or negative charge. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.